64 vehicles earned 2020 IIHS awards. The winning vehicles meet updated criteria that prioritize the protection of pedestrians in addition to vehicle occupants. The highest award, Top Safety Pick Plus, goes to models that come exclusively with good or acceptable headlights.
We are releasing our safety awards for the 2020 model year. We have Top Safety Pick and Top Safety Pick Plus awards. These are the vehicles that achieve the highest ratings in both our crashworthiness evaluations and our collision avoidance evaluations. Both the TSP and the TSP Plus awards require that you receive a good rating in all 6 of our crashworthiness evaluation tests. You also must receive an advanced or a superior rating in our front crash prevention test, both for the vehicle-to-vehicle interaction as well as the vehicle-to-pedestrian interaction. The difference in the 2 awards is headlights. To receive a TSP award, a vehicle must have a good or acceptable rated headlight in at least 1 trim level for a given model. To receive that TSP Plus award, they must offer that good or acceptable rated headlight across all trim levels for that model. The risk of being involved in a crash at night is much greater than it is during the day. Therefore, having good headlights that allow you to see further down the road, allow you to see more of the roadside, is really important. It also allows you to see obstacles or be able to detect unexpected situations much sooner and be able to respond to those situations and hopefully stop and avoid a crash. For 2020, we added front crash prevention ratings for pedestrians. This is the first time that we have a criterion included that addresses a road user outside of the vehicle driver or occupant themselves. This is really important because pedestrian fatalities in the U.S. have risen dramatically over the last several years, up by 53% from 2009 to where we are today. Mazda and Hyundai were the standouts this year. Mazda had 5 Top Safety Pick Plus awards and 1 Top Safety Pick award. Hyundai Motor Group, which includes the brands of Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis, had 14 Top Safety Pick winners and 3 Top Safety Pick Plus winners. Mitsubishi and Fiat Chrysler are the 2 automakers that did not have any award winners in this initial release. As in prior years, we will continue to evaluate vehicles throughout the year, and hopefully they and other automakers will add to this list as we move forward.
charging is complete. The test will commence in 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The vehicle is underway.
The track is ready. You can begin your run.
Thank you for watching this video presented by Cars and SUVs. If you enjoyed it, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, take a look at our video suggestions or what is up next.